Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox boAt Rockerz 550. Is a over-ear headphone. So let's get started into this video. So we are going to unbox this. This is a boAt Rockerz 550 over-ear headphone. So this is a very nice pack. So we are going to open this bag, and inside here the boAt Rockerz 550, the over-ear headphone is present. So let's have a look into this product. It has a connection type Bluetooth 5.0 and a headphone 500 mAh battery capacity, which offer a superior sound playback. It lasts up to 20 hours. So it takes up to 2.5 hours of charging time. So lithium ion battery is included into this headphone, and built-in microphone is present into this headphone. So right now it will cost nearly 2000 rupees. I'll put all the information link. So soft padded air cushion is present into this headphone, so it is very comfortable to use. Physical noise isolation with mic headphone. So you can get a wire aux cable and one charging adapter cable. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. So you can expand this for your headphone size. So you can turn on and turn off using one button, and another button is there for volume up and volume down. You can control your headphone volumes by using button. So this indicator can indicate whether your headphone is on or off. So this is a very nice product. You can go and buy this product. I'll put all the information link in my video description. So that's all for our today's video. Thanks for watching. You whip up my appetite.